Hi, my name's Adrienne. I'm just doing a little review for the Watermans products because they have been a lifesaver for getting my hair back. I had been losing my hair due to medication that everyone knew that it produces hair loss for about 6 months. So every day in the shower I'd be getting handfuls of hair out of the drain, and this was pretty scary because I'm used to having pretty thick blonde hair. But what I want to show you is after only 2 months of using the Watermans products, you can see I just can't believe how well my hair's responded, and I am a cynic when it comes to products. So you can see from my hair that I have all this new regrowth where it had fallen out, and that's why I've got short bits now, because that's all new and growing back. And now it's thicker and longer, and all this thinning around my temples has stopped, completely stopped, and it's got thicker and more life in it. Before, if I plaited it, would be no thicker than my smallest finger. So what I've been using is the shampoo and the conditioner, and only for 2 months so far, and the results are incredible. I've got enough hair to sort of make a bun now, which I didn't have before, and I swear by this product using it at night, the Elixir. So I put that on pretty religiously about every second night. To begin with, I did it every night, and it's just had a really big positive impact. And if that helps you with your self-esteem and you feel better about yourself, that's a good thing. So I'm really grateful for these products, and I had tried a few that people had recommended before without any noticeable difference. The hair was still falling out, and I was still facing, well, I didn't know where that was going to end. So this has been really a lifesaver, and I'm really happy to report that it does work. So thanks a lot to the Watermans people. Bye bye.